Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Sahir. I am from Al Badr Public High School. I am lead in Nice DK Akbar. So, today our topic is acid and base. We shall study about acid and base. I will tell you about acid and base that everything on the earth is made up of acid, base, and salt. Let us take the overview of acid and base. Firstly, a scientist, Jabir bin Hayyan, came and he introduced three acids: HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and HNO3, nitric acid. After Jabir bin Hayyan, a scientist, Lavoisier, came and he said every oxygen binding compound is acid. After Lavoisier, a scientist Davy came and he said hydrogen containing compounds are acid. After him, Arrhenius came and he said every substance which dissociates in water to give a H positive ion is an acid, and the substance which dissociates in water and give hydroxyl ion, it is a base. I tell about Arrhenius concept that Arrhenius concept is applicable for water. According to Arrhenius, acid is a substance which dissociates in water to give H positive ions. For example, HCl plus H2O. When HCl is mixed and H2O, it gives hydrogen proton plus Cl negative. According to Arrhenius, a base is a substance which dissociates in water to give hydroxyl ion. For example, sodium hydroxide plus water, it dissociates in water and gives hydroxyl ion, so it is a base. So we study the formation of hydroxonium ion. When an acid is mixed in water, it gives H positive ions. H positive ions needs 2 electrons to stable. It go to oxygen. Oxygen have a lone pair. Oxygen share is lone pair to hydrogen proton, which makes a coordinate covalent bond. After some time, it behaves just like a covalent bond. Neutralization reaction. When acid and base reacts, it forms water and salt. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. According to strong acid, a strong acid is the substance which dissociates in water and it is totally ionized in water. For example, every mineral acids, all mineral acids are strong acids. For example, HCl, HNO3, and H2SO4. Weak acid, the acids which ionize to some extent in water are called weak acids. For example, natural acids, formic acid. Strong base, the base which totally dissociates in water is called strong base. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and etc. The alkali metals make strong base, the alkaline earth metals make weak base, and transition metals and boron family make weaker base. Weak bases, the bases which ionize to some extent in water are called weak bases. For example, aluminium hydroxide. Limitations. The limitation of Arrhenius concept are it is applicable only for water, and the concept of Arrhenius do not explain the basic nature of NH3, K2,